Cowbellpedia, the mathematics quiz competition on a quest to find the ultimate mathematician at the junior and senior secondary school level. It's proudly sponsored by Cowbell Milk and endorsed by the Nigerian Examination Council, NECO. I am Oscar, your quiz master. This is a competition that basically is looking for the best of the best of the best in mathematics, the junior and senior categories respectively. Now what's going to happen is they're going to play in the prelim, the semi, and the final. Those are the three major stages, and each stage has 2 rounds. Round 1 is what we call the objective question, 12 questions to ask, and you have 5 seconds to answer. And the top 3 scorers will move on to round 2. At the end of round 2, which is what I like to call the 60 seconds of fame, you move on to the semi-final. Only the top 2 scorers will move on. That's those who score the highest from round 1 and round 2 combined. What if you have a tie? No problem. We ask you another set of questions to break the tie, but also note that whatever you score in the tiebreaker will not be added to your final score. I'd like us to meet our contestants.
My name is Owamoyo Evans from Greater Tomorrow International College, Arigidi Akoko, Ondo State.
My name is Abdul Yusuf from Nigerian Turkish International College, Abuja.
Ihagwaram Chiamaka from St. Paul's Academy, Jos, Plateau State. I am Aishat Abubakar Barade from Ikra Science Academy, Jalingo, Taraba State.
My name is Ibe Iteshuku from Federal Government Academy, Sueja.
My name is Chukudi Anayo Ezekiel from Loyola Jesuit College, Abuja.
A man cycles at a constant speed of 20 kilometers per hour. How long does he cycle in 5 kilometers? A. 4 minutes, B. 15 minutes, C. 30 minutes, and D. 20 minutes.
We have our 6 contestants ready. I wish you all the best. Simplify 5x minus y minus 2x plus 2y. A. 3x plus y, B. 3x minus y, C. 2x plus y, and D. 2x minus y. You have 5 seconds to put in the answer you think is the correct one. 5 of you out of 6 got the correct answer. The correct answer is option A, 3x plus y. Simplify 10x raised to the power 4y divided by x squared. A, 10x raised to the power 2y. B, 5x raised to the power 4y. C, 10x raised to the power 6y. And D, 10x raised to the power 8y. 5 seconds. Let me have your answers now. Congratulations to all of you. You got the answer right. Solve the equation k open bracket k plus 1 close bracket is equals to 0. A, 1 comma minus 1. B, 0 comma 1. C, minus 1 comma minus 1. And D, 0 comma minus 1. Don't take too long. The correct answer is actually option D, which is 0 and minus 1. What is the value of x if 3x plus 2x is equals to 1 plus 2? A, 1, B, 2 over 5, C, 1 over 5, and D, 3 over 5. 5 seconds to plug in the correct answer. Fantastic. Judging by the fact that all of you got this answer right, congratulations to you again. Simplify 3y plus 4 minus y minus 2. A, 2y plus 2, B, 2 minus 2y, C, 2y minus 2, and D, 4y minus 6. 5 seconds. Let me have your answers now, please. Chiamaka, do you think you got the answer right?
No.
All right, then, let's move on to our next question. What is the value of z if open bracket 3x plus 1 close bracket z is equals to minus open bracket 3x plus 1 close bracket? A, minus open bracket 3x plus 1 close bracket. B, 3x plus 1. C, 1. D, minus 1. 5 seconds. Let me have your answers now. Evans, Chiamaka, Abdulaziz, congratulations to 3 of you. You got the correct answer, which is -1. Express 0.001324 to 2 significant figures. A, 0.0013, B, 0.001, C, 0.0012, and D, 0.00132. 5 seconds. Let me have your answers now, please. All of you got it right. The correct answer is option A, 0.0013. A round of applause for them, guys. Convert 25% to a fraction and multiply the result by 200. A, 8. B, 25. C, 40. And D, 50. Let's see if you all get it again. The computer is right. The correct answer is D, number 50. And all of you got that particular question right as well. Which of the following numbers does not have a reciprocal? A, 0, B, -2, C, 1/100, and D, 3. You have 5 seconds. All of you did get the answer right. Congratulations. Express 4/5/6 as an improper fraction. A, 32/6, B, 29/6, C, 6/29, and D, 6/32. 5 seconds starts now. The correct answer is option B, 29/6. Convert 40% to a fraction in its simplest form. 1/10, B, 1/4, C, 2/5, and D, 4/5. You all got the answer correctly. Which of the following set of numbers is a Pythagorean triple? 5, 12, 13. That's A. B, 1, 2, and 5. C, 5, 12, and 15. And D, 12, 13, and 14. A is the correct answer. All of you got it right. Congratulations. Let's find out what is happening on the scoreboard. Whew. So the scoreboard is going to rearrange to let us know who will be staying and who will be going. Evans, Abdulmuiz, Chiamaka are staying. Ikechukwu, Chukwudi, and Aishatu will be leaving us today. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for them. Evans, Chiamaka, Abdulmuiz, congratulations. We're going into round 2. Abdulmuiz, are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame?
Yes, Quizmaster.
Your 60 seconds starts now. If C times C times C is equals to 8, what is C? Correct. 2x is equal to x plus 8, find
8.
x. Correct. Solve for B if 1/B minus 1/4 is equals to 1/4.
2.
Correct. If A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3, then BC over AB is equals to
3.
Correct. If y squared is equals to 16,
4.
Correct. Make x the subject of the formula. Y is equals to 3x minus 2.
3x equals to y plus 2.
Incorrect. Solve 2x plus 3x plus x is equals to 6.
1.
Correct. A man is 20 years old now. How old will he be in x years from now?
20 plus x.
Correct.
Yes.
Solve 2 times 3x plus 3x is equals to 9. If you don't know the answer, you can tell me to skip.
3/4.
Incorrect. Simplify x squared y squared divided by xy.
X over y.
Incorrect. Chiamaka, are you ready?
Yes, Quizmaster.
Your 60 seconds starts now. Expand -5 open bracket x squared plus 2x close bracket.
Minus 5s squared minus 10x.
Correct. Simplify open bracket 1 minus h over 2 plus open bracket 1 minus h over 2.
Skip.
Chiamaka?
Skip.
Next question. Factorize x squared minus 81.
X minus 9, x plus 9.
Correct. If y squared plus 36 is equals to 100, what is the positive value of y?
8.
Correct. Solve for p if 4p plus 5 is equals to 17.
3.
Correct. Solve for x in the equation 4 minus 2x is equals to minus 1.
Skip.
If r over 5 is equals to 41 over 5, then r is equals to?
41.
Correct. Simplify 46k minus 3k minus 10k plus 3w minus 10w.
Skip.
If a over 4 is equals to 3 over 2, find the value of a.
6.
Correct. Evans, are you ready to be famous in 60 seconds?
Yes, Quizmaster.
Your 60 seconds starts now. Solve the inequality. X plus 2 is greater than 0.
S greater than minus 2.
Correct. Simplify 15d minus 2, open bracket, 3d minus 6, close bracket.
9d plus 6.
Incorrect. If x minus open bracket 3 over 8 is equals to 5 over 8, find the value of x.
S is equal to 2 over 8.
Incorrect. Solve the inequality 2x plus 3 is greater than 9.
S is greater than 3.
Correct. Simplify 15j plus 2 open bracket 7 minus 13j.
Minus 11j plus 14.
Correct. If 2 over 3 is equals to x over 18, find the value
12.
of x. Correct. Solve 27 is equals to 2 plus 5x.
5.
Correct. Simplify 6m to the power 3n divided by 3m squared.
2mn.
Correct. If p plus 2q is equals to 40, find the value of q when p is equal to 16.
Q is equal to 12.
Correct. Simplify the square root of 7 over
1.
2 divided by... Correct. That was quite impressive, Evans. Very, very good. Evans, you scored 100 points. Abdul Muiz, you scored 95 points. Chiamaka, you scored 85 points. You are a true inventor and keep on practicing. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Chiamaka. We have our two finalists, Evans and Abdul Muiz. Congratulations to both contestants. This is still Cowbellpedia. Now, for those of you at home, I hope you're having fun with your Cowbellpedia home play. We're going to give you the question at the end of the show. I have 6 talented, brilliant cerebral gurus who are vying for the semi-final position. Only 2 will make it through, but let's find out who.
My name is Arinze Chukwu Owo from Nigerian Turkish International College, Co-Ed, Abuja.
My name is Machukume Somachi from Graceland International School, Port Harcourt.
My name is Plechi Benson Obiajulu from Akada Industrial Training Institute, Abo.
We have Chibikim Samuel from Reading Plus Academy, Jos. My name is Chima Prince Jibudom from Graceland International School, Port Harcourt.
My name is Ogiri Jacob from Federal Government Girls College in Merengue.
Let the quiz begin. Which one of the following is not a perfect square? A, x squared, B, 4x squared, C, 2p squared, and D, 25p squared. You have 5 seconds. Give me your answer now. We're off to a very good start. 5 out of 6 of you got the correct answer, which is option C. Let's move on to question number 2. Evaluate, open bracket, a plus b divided by open bracket, b plus a, close bracket, if a is equals to minus 2 and b is equals to 3. A, minus 1, b, 1 over 5, c, 2, and d, 1. Remember, every second counts. Let me have your answer now. The correct answer, which is option D, and that's number 1. Next question. Find the sum of 3x plus 4y minus z, 4x minus 3y plus 2z, and 7x plus 3y plus 2z. A, 14x minus 4y plus 5z, B, 14x plus 4y plus 3z, C, 14x minus 4y plus 3z, and D, 14x minus 10y plus 5z. Let's move on to question number 4. Find the value of k if k squared plus 41 is equals to 185. A, 9, B, 15, C, 17, and D, 12. 5 seconds. Let me have your answer now. Congratulations to all of you. The correct answer is D, number 12. Find the coefficient of n if 4n squared minus 17n minus 5 minus 4n squared plus 12n minus 9. A, 12, B, 4, C, minus 5, and D, minus 17. Get your answers in time, guys. 5 of you got it right, 1 person got it wrong. A number exceeds another by 12, and their sum is 32. What are the numbers? A, 10 and 22, B, 6 and 26, C, 15 and 17, D, 16 and 16. 5 seconds. The correct answer is A, 10 and 22. If y is equals to open bracket p is a point on the number line, then the set y is a or an dash set. A, finite, B, complement, C, empty, and D, infinite. Only 2 people got this right. A student recorded 15 centimeters instead of 20 centimeters for the radius of a cone. Find the percentage error. A, 0.5, B, 30%, C, 5%, and D, 25%. The correct answer is D, 25%. Simplify n times n raised to the power 0 times n raised to the power minus 5. A, 1 all over n raised to the power 4, B, 1 all over n, C, 1 all over n raised to the power 3, and D, 1 all over n raised to the power 5. Every second counts. Let's have your answers. A is the correct answer. That's 1 all over n raised to the power 4. I must say this is a very tight competition, guys. Hexadecimal numbers are numbers in base what? A, 16, B, 6, C, 12, and D, 14. (16) is the correct answer. Congratulations. Simplify log 10 raised to the power 2 plus log 10 raised to the power 50. A, 1, B, 2, C, 8, and D, 10. The correct answer is B. That's number 2. You all got this correct as well. Find the square root of 16 raised to the power half. A, 2, B, 4, C, 8, D, 16. We good? You all got that right as well. After 12 questions, let's find out the top 3. These are the scores. It's going to get rearranged to let us know who are the top 3. And we are going to have a tie break. But out of the 6 of you, 2 of you scored the lowest. And that is to Arinze and, of course, Wickham. You are my heroes and you are champions no matter what. But we'll have to give you a round of applause as you go. That was at the bottom. At the top of the table, we have 1 contestant who has automatically qualified for round 2. And you've done very well, but you got 55 points, so you automatically move on. Let's move on to our tie-break question. Which of the following is an open statement? A, P is an odd number. B, 12 is an even number. C, the Niger River is a famous European river. And D, chemistry is a science subject. 5 seconds. Let me have your answers now. Only 1 person got this right, so you're going to move on to the next round. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Prince, who got the right answer. So Prince will join in there. Unfortunately, Pleche Omachi, you have to slug it out now. All right, are you guys ready? If x is a rational number, which of the following is represented by the set? -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. A, -5 is less than x, less than or equal to 1. B, -5 is less than x, less than or equal to 2. C, -4 is less than x, less than or equal to 1. And D, -5 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to -1. One of you got the correct answer, and another got the wrong answer. Leche, what makes you think you're the one with the correct answer?
Green.
Omachi, you've done incredibly well, fantastically well. Congratulations.
A man cycles at a constant speed of 20 kilometers per hour. How long does he cycle in 5 kilometers? A. 4 minutes, B. 15 minutes, C. 30 minutes, and D. 20 minutes.
For decades, mathematics has been the bedrock of the world's greatest innovations. We believe that we too can set indelible footprints in the sands of technology if we invest in our children and in their future, knowing fully well that from amongst them can come the next best innovators. Tomorrow's Einstein, Maria Mayers, Ayodele Awojobi, Philip Emeagwali. Yes, we have a dream that our children can be great. Since 2001, Cowbell has been on the front line promoting mathematics as a means to empowering young people and nourishing their dreams, harnessing their potential, irrespective of their background or ethnicity. Yes, we believe in our children, in their greatness, in what they can be. Reach for the stars with nourishing Cowbell.
Let's play round 2. I will move in Enne, followed by Prince, and followed by Pleche. Your 60 seconds in starts now. Simplify open bracket 25a raised to the power 2, close bracket 1,2.
5a.
Correct. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are -1 and 2.
X squared plus 3 minus 2.
Incorrect. A boy has 40 naira. He gives x naira to a friend and keeps the rest. If he keeps 26 naira, what is the value of x?
14.
Correct.
14 naira.
Correct. Subtract minus 9a squared b from minus 12a squared b.
Minus 3a squared b.
Correct. Given the simultaneous equation x squared minus y squared is equals to 12, x minus y is equals to 2, find x plus y.
Skip.
Simplify 4a minus 5b plus 7b minus 10a.
Minus 6a plus 2b.
Correct. Simplify 6y times 3xy.
18xy squared.
Correct. Find x if open bracket 2x minus 3 divided by open bracket x minus y is equals to 0. Skip. Prince, are you ready?
Yes, please.
Your 60 seconds starts now. If open bracket x divided by 6 is equals to 7, correct. What must be added to x squared minus 4x to make it a perfect square?
4.
Correct. Make t the subject in I is equals to PRT over 100.
100I over PR.
Correct. X varies inversely as y. Find the formula connecting x and y if k is a constant.
Q over y.
Correct. Find the gradient of a line joining the points A, open bracket 1, minus 2, and B. Solve the equation x squared
X
minus 6.
0 or 6.
Correct. Given the expression p squared plus 4pq, my father is 48 years old. His age is twice my age.
24.
How old? Correct. What must be added to the expression x squared minus 18x to make it a perfect square?
Skip.
If x varies directly as y, find the equation between x and y if k is a constant.
X equals ky.
Correct. If m squared is 16 and m is negative, find the value of m3. M raised to the power 3.
Minus 64.
Correct. What must be added to x squared minus 10x to make
25.
it a perfect square? Correct. Pleche, Mr. Blessing, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your 60 seconds starts now. If c is equals to 2 pi r, make r the subject of...
2 pi.
Correct. If x minus 4, open bracket, close bracket, x plus 9 is equals to 0?
Minus 4 and 9. 4 minus 9.
Incorrect. One answer, please. A trader buys X tins of milk for N naira and sells them at Y naira each. What is the profit?
NY minus X.
Incorrect. If B is equals to open bracket A plus 2, close bracket divided by C, find the value of A in terms of B and C.
AB minus 2.
Incorrect. Given that K squared plus 3K plus 9 is equals to 0, find the product of the roots or the equation.
9.
Correct. From an inequality for a distance d meters which is more than 16 meters but not more than 21 meters.
C 16 is less than D, which is less than 21.
Incorrect. Make A the subject of the formula.
BQ over X.
Correct. Given that x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0, find the
5.
Incorrect. 95 points, 80 points, and 65 points. Those are the final scores. But only 2 will move on to the semi-final. Pleche, you have been a fantastic contestant. Unfortunately, this is where we say goodbye. For the senior category, ladies and gentlemen, viewers at home, congratulations to Inne and Prince, who will move on to the semi-final. I am Oscar, your quiz master. Bye for now.
For decades, mathematics has been the bedrock of the world's greatest innovations. We believe that we too can set indelible footprints in the sands of technology if we invest in our children and in their future, knowing fully well that from amongst them can come the next best innovators. Tomorrow's Einstein, Maria Mayers, Ayodele Awojobi, Philip Emeagwali. Yes, we have a dream that our children can be great. Since 2001, Cowbell has been on the front line promoting mathematics as a means to empowering young people and nourishing their dreams, harnessing their potential, irrespective of their background or ethnicity. Yes, we believe in our children, in their greatness, in what they can be. Reach for the stars with nourishing Cowbell.